Hi. In this video, I am going to tell you that how much grammar you need if you want to be fluent in speaking English. So it's not necessary that you must know all the grammar rules, then only you will start speaking English. Okay? Because your main focus is on speaking, not on writing or not on giving any exams. You want to speak English very fluently, right? So it's not very much necessary to learn grammar first. Don't wait that first you will be perfect in grammar and then you will start learning. No, it's not the natural process, right? Because English is not your mother tongue. You are not a native speaker of English. And one more thing, you are not surrounded by the people who are speaking English. See all around yourself. Mostly all of the people are speaking Hindi and you are exposed to that environment, Hindi environment. Now you are listening Hindi and you want to speak English, so what you have to do, you have to at least listen to English. Either you listen some story in English or you listen or you watch some movie in English and then observe carefully how they are speaking, how they are pronouncing the words, what is the structure they are using. And by observing, by listening and by practicing, you can make your English good. So don't wait that first I will perfect in grammar, I will learn all the grammar rules and then I will start speaking in English. Because I saw one student, first he learned all the basic rules of grammar and he was in very much tension. Then he went for the accent, then he cleared his pronunciation. But after so much of labor, after so much of his efforts, after so much practicing, after so much doing grammar rules and focusing on grammar, he was very much reluctant to speak in English. Whenever it comes to speak in English, first he used to focus on the grammar. So his focus on speaking was becoming less. So then he started translating in his mind, and because of this reason today also he is not very much good in English. So my dear students, if you want to speak in English, so don't go for grammar rules without learning grammar rules also, simply by observing and by practicing and just knowing simple rules of grammar, basic structures of grammar, basic knowledge of grammar like tenses. You should know, mostly we speak in present tense. So just focus on the use of has, have, had, that much only. Okay, don't go to learn all the rules, models, active, passive, narrations, prepositions, noun, adjective, adverbs. No, don't go for this. I will tell you how you will become confident in speaking. Students, whenever we are learning any new thing, you should realize one thing, that whenever we learn any new thing, okay, it is very natural that once we will fall down, then we have to pick ourselves up and we have to start again. And when we learn new things, when we learn new language, whether it is English or any of the language, we are bound to make mistakes. So don't fear of making mistakes. Be confident, be bold and practice. Embrace your mistakes and enjoy making mistakes. Even if someone laughs at you, let him laugh. But you keep on trying, you keep on practicing your English. First you decide and focus on yourself that whether you want to focusing more on writing or you want to focusing more on speaking. Obviously you are focusing more on speaking, right? So don't fear of getting mistakes. Just enjoy making mistakes, be bold, be fearless, and don't worry about the people who are laughing at you. Let them laugh, but if you are striving, if you are struggling for any valuable things to include in your life, it will not you can't get that thing free. Okay, because अगर आपको कोई चीज़ फ्री में मिलती है, इसका मतलब उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा नहीं है, और यदि किसी की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है तो वो आपको फ्री में कभी नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, सो कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड. जब आप बहुत मेहनत करके कोई चीज़ अचीव करते हैं तो आपको उसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होती है और आपको एक सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है. तो यदि आप अपना मेंटल फिज़िकली सेटिस्फेक्शन चाहते हैं और आप चाहते हैं कि आप खुद से इंग्लिश सीख करके और फिर आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंट, अपनी पर्सनालिटी इम्प्रूव करें, फिर आप देखेगा कि आपको कोई भी नहीं हरा पाएगा एंड यू विल मेक योर सेल्फ stand strong in the society. So keep watching, keep learning and see you in the next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself.